Good morning, friends. In the last lectures, we started fourth unit, and that is the design of the belt drive. So that's why today I am taking problems related with the design of the belt drive. First, we'll see problems related with the design of the flat belt and design of the cross belt. So after that, we can see problems related with the V belt and selections about the V belt from the manufacturing catalogs. So first, please note down today's first problem. So I'll use this space for data because we require more space to solve the problems. So please note down first problem, the layout of a leather belt drive. The layout of a leather belt drive transmitting 15 kilowatt power is shown in figure. Figure is given. The center distance between the pulley is twice the diameter of the bigger pulley. The center distance between the two pulleys is twice of bigger pulley. The belt should operate at a velocity of operate at a velocity of 20 meter per second approximately. So this velocity is approximately. So as per the diameter of the smaller pulley and driven pulley, you can calculate the exact value of the velocity. And stresses in the belt should not exceed, and stresses in the belt should not exceed 2.25 Newton per mm square. Newton per mm square. The density of the leather is 0.95 gram per cc, and the coefficient of friction is 0.35. The thickness of the belt is 5 mm. The thickness of belt is 5 mm. Calculate first bit, the diameter of the pulleys. The diameter of pulleys. Second bit, the length and width of the belt. The length and width of the belt, third beat, the belt tensions. So here figure is given. This is smaller pulley, larger pulley, flat belt, RPM 40 40 RPM. This RPM RPM of the bigger pulley is given 480 RPM. Center distance 2D. This is D and this is capital D. So first we will extract what is given, 15 kilowatt power. Center distance equal to 2D. Approximately velocity 20 meter per second. Maximum equal to 2.25 Newton per mm square. Density equal to 0.95 gram per cc. Mu equal to 0.35. Thickness of the belt 5 mm. D, capital D, belt, and T1 and T2. This is to be calculated. So that's why I erase this. So what is given, according to that we will calculate. So V equal to, this is 20 meter, and V equal to, as you know, formula pi dn divided by 60,000 equal to 20. So this is 1000 for multiplied by meter to meters mm's. So pi dn, and this is the velocity of the smaller pulley. So that's why pi into d, n equal to 1440 divided by 60,000 equal to 20, d equal to 60,000 divided by pi 1440. into 60,000 divided by pi divided by RPM. 20 into 60,000 divided by pi divided by 1440 RPM. This is equal to, approximately this is 265.25. Suppose we increase, this is D equal to 270 mm, round figure. So that's why capital D equal to 270 into 1440, because this is the velocity ratio, divided by 480. 270 multiplied by 1440 divided by 480 equal to 810 mm. So this is your first answer, D equal to. Capital D equal to. Next, now length of the belt. So that's why center distance equal to 2D, 2 into 810 equal to 1620.
length of the belt equal to, what is formula? 2c plus pi capital D minus small d divided by 2 capital D small d divided by 4c square. I will check this formula. Right.
So that's why
Now you can calculate, this is second bit, length of the belt 2 into 16, 20, 5, 8, 10 minus 270 divided by 2 plus 8, 10 minus 270 square divided by 4 into 1620. And this is 3240 plus second term
810 minus 270 multiplied by pi divided by 2.
This is 848 approximately.
Now 810 minus 270 and this is square divided by 4 divided by 1620.
This is equal to 45.
So length of the belt 848 plus 3240 4133.
Because my answers is getting different, so that's why I am checking this. Okay, this is plus, here only minus. So this answer is, this formula is
810
plus 270
multiplied by pi divided by 2 16 plus 3240 8 to 10
right.
4981.
49, this is the length of the belt require. Now next, here density of the belt is given, so that's why here first we'll calculate volume equal to, so volume, so consider, let length of the belt equal to 1 meter. So according to that we can calculate. So first we'll consider 1 meter. So volume of the 1 meter belt, this is equal to 100 into, because this B in mm and this thickness also in mm, B and thickness in mm, and this is 10 divided by, because this is 1 meter equal to, this is 100 centimeter. So this is in centimeter, this is also in centimeter. So that's why this V equal to This is T 100 into B divided by T, and this is 5 divided by 10. So this is V equal to 5T. Velocity of the or volume of the belt. Now exact velocity of belt equal to, because this diameter slightly increase, so that's why pi dn divided by 60,000. Pi into d equal to 270, 1440 divided by 60,000. So this is pi into 270 multiplied by 440 divided by 60,000. This is equal to approximately, means this is exact 20.35 meter per second. Now mass equal to density multiplied by volume. Density 0.95, volume equal to 5T. So this is 0.95 multiplied by 5, 4.75 gram per this is centimeter. So that's why this is gram per meter. This is 5T, 5B. So that's why 4.75 B into 10 to the power minus 3. This is kg per meter. So actually this is related with the B. So that's why this value after that will increase. Now because we have to use relations T1 minus mv squares divided by T2 mv squares e to the power mu alpha. So that's why we are calculating this. Mv square equal to 4.75 b into 10 to the power minus 3. Yeah, this is m, and v equal to 20.35 bracket square multiplied by 20.35 square, 1.967 b. So this term equal to, and e to the power mu alpha, u0 mu coefficient of friction, this is 35, alpha equal to, so here's alpha equal to, this is the RAF angle for flat belt equal to 180 minus 2 sine inverse capital D small d divided by 2c. 180 minus 2 sine inverse capital D 810 270 2c 1620 multiplied by 2. Eight 10 minus 270 divided by 3240 inverse of
sine multiplied by 2.
This is 9.188.
Minus 180 equal to
160.81, and this is in, no, this is in degree. So multiplied by pi divided by 180, because this we require in a radian.
multiplied by pi divided by 180.
This is equal to 2.806667. This is radian. So e to the power 0.35 multiplied by
0.35.
This is 0.98, na?
Two 2.8067 multiplied by 0.35. This is equal to
0.982345.
So that's why 982345.
This is equal to 2.6707. Now everything is known, so that's why we can put T1 equal to 2.6, no sorry, mv square 9.67b divided by T2 equal to 2.6707. Now multiplied by this T1 1.967b in the right hand side. This is 2.6707, T2 1.967, 5.253, 5.253 multiplied by b. Now take all terms in the right hand side. T1 minus 2.6707 T2 minus 1.967 plus 253 b equal to 0. This is b
minus 1.967,
3.28 b equal to 0. This is first equation.
I will check my equation.
All right. Now next, V equal to, you know, it's 20.35. Second equation, again use relations T1 minus T2 equal to 1000 into kilowatt divided by V. This is another relation. So that's why, because here three unknown, T1, T2 and B, we require three equations. So T1 minus T2 1000 into 15, and this V equal to 20.35. T1 minus T2 equal to
1000 multiplied by 15 divided by 20.35. This is equal to
737.1, second equation. And third equation, because stress equal to, this is given, max equal to 2.25, this is equal to tension maximum is tension T1 divided by area equal to T1, area equal to thickness multiplied by B. So that's why T1 equal to 2.25 multiplied by 5 into B. T1 equal to 2.25 multiplied by 5, I think 11.25. So this is third equation. Now we have to put all values in one equation. T1 equal to, this is in the form of the B. Now T2 equal to T1 minus, because this T2 goes in the right hand side. So T2 equal to T1 equal to, again this is 11.25 B minus, right, this is fourth equation. Now by using equation first, third and fourth, T1 equal to, so you can put 11.25 B minus 2.6, T2 equal to 11.25 B, this is equal to, or this is minus 3.286 B equal to 0. Minus this is 11.25 multiplied by 26707, 30.04 B minus this becomes plus 2.607 multiplied by plus 1968.57 be equal to 0. So that's why now 30.04 plus 3.286 minus 11.25 equal to, this is equal to 22.076 be equal to 57 be equal to 1 divided by answers multiplied by 1968, this is equal to 89.169. Is there any mistake I did? Once I will check.
both are minus. Oh, here I did mistake because this is plus, this sign is plus, this is plus. So that's why I am getting different answer. Only I did that small mistake, silly mistake you can say, because my answers got different. Minus 11.25 minus 3.86. This is equal to 126.96 mm. So that's why, suppose this is 130 mm. So this is your B equal to. And now T1 equal to. T1 equal to. I think we have relations, some of the. This is T1 equal to. So that's why T1 equal to 130 multiplied by 11.25, 1462 Newton, and T2 equal to this T1 1462 minus 737.1 minus 7371 equal to 4 Newton. And this is your third answer. This T1 is the tensions in the tight side and T2 is the tensions in the right hand side. I think you understand this problem very clearly. This is cross belt drive, open belt drive problems. So after that we will see one problem related with the cross belt drives. So please note down today's second problem. It is required to design. It is required to design a leather cross belt drive. Design a leather cross belt drive to connect 7.5 kilowatt 1440. So in this problem RPM is directly given. RPM in the previous problems, in the figure RPM is given. Electric motor to a compressor running at 480 RPMs. So means here also speed reduction ratio is 3. The distance between the center fully, again this is same given. The distance between
center of pulleys
is twice
that of bigger pulley.
the belt should operate at
The belt should operate at 20 meter per second.
approximately. In similar type of the problems,
Approximately. Its thickness is 5 mm. Density of leather kg per meter cube.
so this is directly given kg per meter cube,
And sigma ut
this is given
25 megapascal.
So in the previous problems, I think this is given 2.25 Newton per mm square. Now this is 25 megapascal.
And mu equal to 0.3.
So it is required to design. So in these problems, it is required to design. In the previous problem, that is not given.
This yes, design means you have to calculate tensions similar to last problem. Design means here width, actual width 7.5 kilowatt, 1440 RPM. So in this problem, this is cross belt. Suppose this is larger pulley and this is smaller pulley. So that's why if this is rotating anti-clockwise, and this is tension T1 and T2. Because this is gripping, so that's why this is tension and this is the T2. Yeah, because this is releasing, so that's why this is T2. Again we have to calculate. So similar to last problem, so first we'll calculate a design. Design means diameter of the smaller pulley, capital, and this B plus additional T1 and
T2 we will calculate, right? So first, by using relations, solution V equal to pi dp np divided by, so this is dp means diameter of the smaller pulley, or ds ens, 20 pi into 1440 ds equal to, again I think that is 265 point something, so that's why right, this is 270 mm and diameter of the larger pulley, 8 to center distance, because 2c 2d, so that's why 2 into 810 equal to 1620 mm. Now exact velocity equal to pi d n divided by 60,000, 270, this is 1440, so again this is 20.35 meter per second. Next,
length of the belt equal to two c plus pi d plus d divided by 2 plus, this is cross belt, d plus d divided by 4c, 1620 820 810 yes.
Eight 10 plus 270 divided by 2 multiplied by pi,
1696.4 plus
810 plus 270 square divided by 4 divided by 1680. I think again this is
173.57
length equal to plus 3240 plus 1696.4. So this is equal to 510
9.97 mm. Suppose this is equal to mm. This is your first answer, length of the belt. L equal to and D. Now B is unknown. Now volume equal to for 1 meter belt, hundred centimeter, because this is in centimeter, B divided by 10, this is also centimeter, and T divided by this also centimeter. That is given in the ठीक है, this will get cancelled, and this is volume equal to 5B. Now this is in centimeter cube. One meter cube equal to 100 into 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. So that's why M equal to density into volume. This is 950 multiplied by 5B into 10 to the power 6 minus 6. And this is in terms of B. 950 4.75 into 10 to the power minus 3 B. This is kg per meter. Try to understand this. Now mv square equal to 4.75 into 10 to the power minus 3, 20.35. Alright, this is 20.35 na? V equal to 20.36. bracket square is 1.969 mv square equal to, all right, e to the power mu alpha equal to, now this is cross belt, means this is because alpha s equal to, this is 180 plus 2 sine inverse. So that's why 2 sine inverse capital D because this is plus D divided by 2C.
D equal to 810 plus 270 divided by 2 divided by 0.33. Inverse of sine plus 180 multiplied by pi divided by 180. So this is 3 point. This is directly, otherwise you may be confused. 270 plus 810 divided by 2 divided by 1620 inverse of sine is 19.47 and this is 180. 199.47, this is degree. That's why
alpha equal to 47 multiplied by pi divided by 180
plus 180 multiplied by pi divided by 180. This is equal to
3.4814 3 radian. This is clear.
now e to the power
0.35 multiplied by e to the power
0.35. This is
2185.
now 1.2185 equal to
3.64. 61466. T1 minus mv square e to the power mu theta T1
m square
1.969
now this is in terms of b.
in terms of B. Minus 7.117 in terms of B. So that's why take this is in the left hand side T2 plus
minus 1.969. So in the previous problems, one small silly mistake that I did, so that's why avoid this.
Two, three. So this is first equation. Second equation, T1 minus T2 equal to 1000 into kilowatt divided by V. T1 minus T2 1000, 7.5, 20.36.
750 divided by 20.36 equal to 368.37. This is T1 equal to this is T2 equal to T1 minus. This is second equation. And third equation, this is T1 divided by because thickness equal to 5 or otherwise area equal to, so you may be confused. T1 equal to, this is 25, 125 into B. This is your third equation. Right? Anything is I did mistake? Okay. So that's why now we have to solve these three equations. So T1 equal to 125B minus 3.61466. T2 equal to again this, and T1 equal to 125B 368.37 plus 5.1483B equal to 0. 368.37 multiplied by 3.61466 equal to third term 1331.5 plus 5.1483 B equal to 0. Next 125 into, so this is big value, 125 into 3.61466 451 minus 125 minus 5.1483 321.68 B equal to This is correct. T1 equal to
because these relations, so this value is given wrong.
this is 25 megapascals. So that's why we are getting wrong answers, because B equal to, this is only because this value is wrong.
So otherwise we will consider this is 2.5 megapascal. Make correction. Because of this value we are getting
Width should be
greater. So that's why here
this is equal to, I consider 2.5 and this is 12.5 in the previous problems. The 2.5, this is 12.5 B and this is 12.5 B. So that's why again we'll check these values. This is 125B minus 3.61466 into 12.5, 45.18. This is this is 12.5. Minus 368.37 multiplied by 3.61466 1331. All right. And this is plus 5.18483 B equal to 0. So that's why
B equal to
0.5
divided by
45.18 minus 12.5 minus 5.148,
27 point. 532.
1 divided by answers divided by 133.5
48.36 mm or B equal to, suppose this is 50 mm.
So you should take ultimate stress equal to 2.5 megapascal.
Now T1 equal to 12.5 or tensions T1, 12.5 into B,
12.5 multiplied by 50,
625 Newton. T2 equal to 625
368
256.63 Newton. So this is your expected answer.
So I think you understand these problems. So in the next problems we will see problems related with this flat belt and if the tension applied. So derivations, first we will see derivations means for the maximum stress. After that we will solve by considering centrifugal force. Thank you.